Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and if you're looking for a mousse that's not going to dry out your hair, not going to leave your hair crunchy, you have got to try out this one from Cantu. I love it. So the pump is a similar pump to foaming soap, so it's the same kind of consistency when the foam comes out. It's not a sticky mousse, it doesn't make my hair hard or my hands sticky. So what I'll do is after I've washed my hair and my hair is damp, I'll put a few pumps into my hand and I'll section out my hair. I'll do one side and I won't rub it into my hands. I'll just use the pump, squeeze it out, and then I will just scrunch it into my hair, dividing it into sections. You can see that the actual mousse is like a watery consistency in the bottle, and then once it comes out, you can see the foam. This foam is great because it doesn't leave flakes in my hair, it doesn't dry it out. This is after I've used it. You can see it kind of separates the curls and it just really reduces the frizz. Definitely check out this mousse from Cantu. I love it. You're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.